Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into something truly unique and incredibly fun. The Powershovel Kisekae dress-up 35mm film camera superheads. Now, if you're wondering what Kisekae means, it's a Japanese term for dress-up dolls, and that perfectly encapsulates the spirit of this camera. This isn't just a device for capturing moments. It's a canvas for your personal style, allowing you to literally dress up your camera with a different outfit every single day. The core appeal here lies in its ingenious kit, which empowers users to design and effortlessly change the front faceplates. Imagine having a camera that matches your mood, your outfit, or even the theme of your day. One day it could be sleek and minimalist, the next a burst of vibrant colors. This level of customization transforms the camera from a mere tool into a genuine extension of one's personality. It's a brilliant concept that brings a playful, artistic dimension to film photography. Beyond its captivating aesthetics, the Powershovel Kisekae is a fully functional 35mm film camera. It utilizes easy-to-find 35mm film, which is fantastic for anyone looking to dip their toes into the world of analog photography without the hassle of sourcing obscure formats. The camera features a focus-free 28mm lens, making it incredibly user-friendly. This means you don't have to worry about fiddling with focus settings. Just point and shoot, and let the camera capture those spontaneous moments with a classic wide-angle perspective. Weighing in at a mere 0.17 pounds and boasting compact dimensions of 3.9 x 1.3 x 2.64 inches, this camera is exceptionally portable. It's designed to be carried everywhere, slipping effortlessly into a pocket or a small bag, ready to capture life as it unfolds. Its lightweight nature ensures it won't be a burden, encouraging more frequent use and spontaneous creativity. The manual exposure control type adds a touch of traditional photography, giving users a sense of engagement with the photographic process, even with its otherwise straightforward operation. This Powershovel Kisekae camera isn't just about taking pictures, it's about making a statement. It's for those who appreciate the tangible charm of film, but also crave a device that reflects their individuality. It's a conversation starter, a creative outlet, and a delightful way to experience photography. For anyone seeking a fun, customizable, and accessible entry into 35mm film, this dress-up camera offers an unparalleled blend of style and simplicity. It truly stands out as a unique offering in the world of analog cameras, inviting users to express themselves both through their images and the camera itself.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.